besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share with in and outside your circle. Guys, I went to the Women Creatives Connect Summit and it was amazing. My highlight was basically meeting my amazing YouTube friends. Guys, it was amazing seeing them again and also the amazing new friends that I made. I met amazing women and I'm so glad for the connection that I have with them right now. And Achalugo, the one and only Achalugo, was around at the event. Guys, let's just get started with this amazing vlog.
It's plenty, it's plenty, it's plenty, it's plenty.
Hey guys, look at who I just met. It's Faith Bams.
I'm so excited that I saw Lara Savage there and she took me nice pictures.
Yes,
guys.
sir.
I'm excited.
Guys, subscribe to our channel, Lou. Subscribe. Wow, I love your dress. You made it now.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow.
Morning. Are you excited to be here? I'm only feeling the energy from this side. Are you excited to be here? People to my left, are you excited to be here? It's not giving. Is it giving? People to my left, are you excited to be here? Okay. Thank you very much. Good morning, distinguished guests, our partners, and especially the incredible women gathered here today. Can you give yourselves a round of applause?
And human rights, followers on Instagram who look to her for inspiration, for style and substance. So ladies, of Women Creative Corner Summit 1.0 with a rousing ovation. Please help me welcome our gorgeous keynote speaker, a woman of passion, poise, and purpose, the phenomenal Bambam Achalugo, popularly known as Achalugo. I hope that the intro was good enough before Odogu will say he wants to buy TAFTA. Please. Thank you so much. Please be seated. Celebrate Bambam once again. There was a time that people would do different, one person would be 3, 4 different people. There was different seasons of content creation that has come and has gone. But when you know your why, fame fades, trends change, but your talent, your passion, your purpose will sustain you. Get weary and you will give up, because truly it's not easy in our industry. But there is that one day, there is that one film, there is that one person you impress as an AD or as a sound girl or as a makeup artist. There's that one film that will blow and you become the most sought after human being. Trust God, improve on your talent, work hard, meet people. The steps of the righteous are ordered by the Lord. I'm a Christian. For Muslims, I may not know how to quote the Quran, but I know that there must be somewhere in whatever you believe in where God orders your steps when you trust Him, so that you're at the right place at the right time. And when proper preparation meets opportunity, it will just do. Consistency is important. Don't copy anybody. It is possible to be soft and to be fierce and to be diverse as a woman. It is possible to be powerful in whatever capacity you express yourself and still be a queen. There is nothing wrong if you are loud and expressive, it's your thing. If you are voluptuous and fierce, it's your thing. If you're delicate like a flower, it's your thing. Don't copy anybody. Be unapologetically, authentically you. Say, I am. Unapologetically. Authentically. Me. Say it again like you understand what you're saying.
I am unapologetically, authentically me.
One more time.
I am unapologetically, authentically me.
It is a gift to be you. Be a gift to the world. Thank you. This panel session is tagged From Passion to Profession, Building a Profitable Creative Business in Nigeria. As long as you're staying authentic at every phase of your performances, some will do great, some will not. But stay what? Imposter syndrome will be fine. I promise you. You can say, imposter, I see you, I greet you, but I'll be okay, we'll be fine. Sometimes it's good to isolate your feelings and the things that intimidate you and talk to them like a thing. You're not running mad. When you address thoughts as things and as entities, it's easier to manage your mental health. So you don't run into depression because you didn't get the satisfaction or you have expectations every time you put out content. You may not always get the desired expectation. Just see it as one of those ones that I lost, and there will be some I will win. And don't put yourself under pressure.
We want to build an industry where people, because the people that are paying money to watch our content, they are not just paying it because they are aspiring to look like someone. They are paying it because they are seeing themselves in some of these characters. And if they can't find themselves in these characters, they will be discouraged. So we need to broaden our scope. Even in storytelling, I feel like the kind of people we are seeing on screen, people need to start seeing people that look like them. And the more they see people that look like them, they are inspired and say, okay, there is a space for me. There are stories for people like me, and they'll be encouraged. So please, more inclusion for people. Thank you.
I already know this is going to
As we wrap up this panel session on a high note,
Exactly, I don't understand. Video man, sit down. God bless
pictures before they step down and before we go to the next item. Then,
I'm giving you free. Oh. So you can get on Instagram. Okay. At what? Lisa Eyes underscore food. Lisa Eyes underscore. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.